Injani i-lockdown? Lockdown kuphi? Kwenzekani la ukhona?
Lockdown in Durban. Well, there was a point we were all locked down. That was before we knew we were on level 5, and then we were on level 5. There was a point there was a lockdown.
It was just level.
It was just lockdown. There was no level. Then it moved to level 5. I've been in Durban this whole time. And then recently it moved to level 4, which meant that Angiti level 5 went with certain essential workers.
Yes.
And then level 4 kind of extended it to other industries as well. And the entertainment industry was part of that. So it's part of communication. I think they also thought everything that is on television will run out. So production houses need to go back to work and kind of produce more work so that the people that are still on lockdown can at least have something to entertain them. So I have since been working since the 6th of May. I've gone back to set. It is the new normal. It is not like before, because one needs to be very careful and we need to be very conscious of our every move. We get screened before we go into studio. You have to have your face mask. It is only when we do our makeup that we don't have face masks, but our makeup artists have face masks and these screens. And when we shoot, we have to be very conscious of our social distance. So in the way that directors direct, they have to make sure that we keep a safe distance between each other as performers. So that's how it's been. But we have to get used to it, because this is how it's going to be from here on.
Life has changed, ne?
It has in such a short space of time. Kanji.